If you have read Snothando's story in our 2019 Impact Report, you'll remember that she is part of our Thanda Chess Club and that she loves to learn and be pitted against opponents who are stronger than she is so that she may improve her game. We caught up with Snothando a little while ago to find out what lockdown has been like for her during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Wasazi ukuthi igama lakho nesibongo.
Mina igama lami nguSnothando Abadlamini.
Ufunda ke ufunda grade bani?
Ngifunda eSosukwana, primary school, grade 7.
Nginake mngaphi?
Nginyaka ewu-12.
Snothando has been playing chess with the Thanda Chess Club since she first learned the game in grade 3, and she has sharpened her skills over the year, even winning a chess tournament last year. We wondered how she's been keeping her mind active while school and Thanda's after-school program and the chess club have been closed.
Yini njengoba msukuyenza ekhaya?
Angiqale ngenze imisebenzi leyasekhaya ethi ngibuyeke ngikline ikamelo lami ukuthi ngingcolile ngifunde ney'ncwadi zami. Manje inkinga ibhodi bengingabi nayo so ngabe ngiyadlala chess practice.
It's clear that Snothando is still focused on her own development while on lockdown. But she does more than focus on her own schoolwork. She helps her younger brothers too.
Okay, usifundela wedwa noma khona okusizayo noma nawe khona obasizayo labo bancane?
Ngisiza ubhuti.
Okay, ufunda babhuti wakho?
Ubhuti wami omunye ufunda grade 4, omunye ufunda grade 5.
Okay, yini othanda ukuthi umsize ngayo kakhulu?
Maths.
Okay, why maths? Why uthanda umsiza ngemaths?
Ukuthi maths is-subject engiyithanda.
Uma ucabanga yini ekwenza ukuthi ube good kwane-maths?
Ingoba isikhathi esiningi ngiyayi-practice.
Uma ucabanga i-chess ngabe nayo iyakusiza ukulekelela lapho ekutheni ube good kwi-maths ngendlela obona ngayo wena?
Kuyangisiza kona ngoba iyangisiza i-chess ngoba nami ngifunde imaths kube ngathi ngibe ngisicabangela njengathi ngibe-chess. So ngenze ngibe right. Ngokuke ngibuthi ngiyancane futhi ngisho ukuthi umuntu ezongisiza.
Chess is known to build problem-solving skills and encourage critical thinking and empirical thinking in children and adults alike. So it is no surprise that Snothando enjoys maths and finds that her love of chess is helpful with her maths lessons. As a partner in education of the children in our community, we often conduct research to ascertain the impact we are having. We use complex and specifically formulated methods, and our data is reliable. But feedback such as this is the simplest and most direct way to understand the effects of our programs and initiatives have on our community. And it makes us so happy to hear that a child who has long been embedded in our chess club feels the positive effects in her own life, in maths, and is able to roll out those benefits forward to the others by helping her brothers when they are struggling with their own maths